Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to repot Monster Martha. So her name is Martha, yes. And let me see if I can give you, it's heavy. So this is what she looks like. So unfit. Okay, so we're going to I broke it again. Really again? I just cannot. Today I'll be showing you how to separate my beautiful Martha. So this is Martha, say hello. She has fully outgrown her pot, right? I mean like, I'm say fully, and she's top heavy, so the pot keeps, as you see, keeps falling over, right? And she's also babies that need their own space to thrive, to grow. So in today's video, I will be separating Martha and her babies, unfortunately, and I'll be repotting her, plus I'll be giving you some aloe vera care tips. If you want to jump ahead, of course, I will put timestamps of where the important little tidbits are, so you can jump ahead and get what you need to get. And let's say hello, Martha. Okay. No. Hi. So, are you ready? Alright. I'm going to see what can go on for Martha and her babies. Jesus, Martha. Oh, girl, you are heavy. So first we will separate, or divide the aloe vera. So let's jump right in. Let's move this a bit. We can try to be as gentle as we can, because I don't want to break off anything. So first, let's try to see if it can handle being on its side and protect the roots. And okay, so I think we're good. Now we just want to try to tease. Yo, look at her roots. Do you see? Yo, you see good girl roots? Hey, roots strong, firm. Yes. Whew. Now to the task of trying to separate Martha from her babies. And you can really get a look at her root system. So you see how root bound she was? Definitely needed a new pot, definitely. Yeah, that was after work though. Like my out of breath, my tired. Damn. Do better, girl. Do better. Oh, I am very winded. Alright. So we're just gonna try to pull this apart. Tease it apart, because alright, let me see if I can get a bit closer for you guys. Alright, Alright, so let's dig in. So these are the babies, if you can see. So these little ones right here, and we'll try to do our best. Remember, because it's so sturdy, just dig right in and try to get them out. I am trying to be gentle, but good girl said no. If you want a workout, this is the workout. Now this will not kill the plant, trust me, it will not. So let's see what we have here. Just gently, so I'm gently trying to tease this out, and there we go. So this is one of the babies, and it has good roots. So one down. I'm tired. 50 million to go. I don't know. Okay, so all of the babies are off. Alright, so let's see. Excuse the mess. Let's see what we have here. So we have Big Martha, and what I will do is, because I want it to go a bit deeper, I will just remove some of the bottom ones. So if you can see here, I can just peel off this extra skin, and so she will push out more roots right here. So I can even get rid of this one, and I will use these, of course. I will also maybe remove this one as well. I don't need it. This way it can go a bit deeper into the pot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this baby one. 9, 10, 11, 12. Lord Jesus. So Martha makes 13, but she has 12 babies, okay? 12, all at 12 babies. No matter, you go on good, you very fertile and nice. I like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Daniel. So all of these will be repotted. However, because aloes are succulents, we have to allow the pups and Martha herself to callus off a bit, which means that, so for example, like this one, it doesn't have a root system, so it's very raw right here, right? So it's very raw right there, and I will put it in a warm, dry location out of direct sunlight for maybe 2 to 3 days to allow it to dry off, and then it can be repotted. If you don't, you will get, so like this one, you see like it's fully bruised, If you don't, you will get it will rot on you, so it will decay, it will die. So it helps prevent rotting when you callus it off. And just a pro tip, you can put cinnamon powder on the ends or around it, and because cinnamon powder is antibacterial and antifungal, it will help to prevent, you know, fungus, rotting, mildew, etc. So I will be repotting Martha today, but stay tuned for maybe next week. I will show you how I repot these pups and care for these pups. Alright, so we're gonna give Martha maybe an hour or so break, you know, in the warm shade, so that, you know, things can dry up a bit before I stick her in the soil, because we want Martha to keep surviving, to keep producing, be her nice and fertile self. Alright, so catch you in an hour.